Why some students remember everything they study? Have you ever noticed that some students remember almost everything they study, while others forget even after repeated effort? Why does this happen? In this lecture, we will understand what actually improves memory and how students can retain information effectively. Memory is active. Many students believe memory works automatically, but memory is not passive. It is an active process. The brain remembers what it uses. Active recall. One powerful method is active recall. After studying, close the book and try to recall key points. Let me ask you, can you recall yesterday's topic right now? If not, the issue is method. Repetition. Memory improves through repetition, but not by rereading. It improves by recalling again and again. Structured revision. Students who remember well follow structured revision. Revise after 1 day, then after 3 days, then after 1 week. Practical example. One student reads once and moves ahead. Another student studies, recalls, and revises. The second student remembers more, even with less study time. 4 steps strategy. Define concept. Practice recall. Revise systematically. Test yourself. This transforms learning into memory. Memory does not depend on intelligence. It depends on method. When learning becomes structured, results improve significantly. Thank you.